Careful where you're turning that!
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! I'm not sorry. That's cool. Okay, that actually scared me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You wanna fucking go? I will fucking sucker punch you. Funny. This is super cool. Fucking.
It's me, Unifer. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm just going to turn into the Financial Warriors jump scare real quick. You know, that sounded very familiar to a sound that I'm pretty sure everyone watching this video has heard before.
What's the progress?
Oh! I didn't even get to see.
Oh, yeah.
Give me a fat ass fucking smooch.
Ah! Ooh, I heard you.
I already know what that sounds like. You know what it sounds like. You know what it sounds like, don't you?